like the bananas, huh?
The white walking man has defeated the rude red hand.
I am rich. I am powerful.
Whoa! What is that beautiful yellow thing? I must have it! I am USD have it now! There are no bananas here. This place is a prison. I must escape and find one in the wild.
There it is, paradise. My quest is clear. I must reach that golden treasure.
Oh, I don't think that's what that means.
Why does the giant red hand refuse my gesture of friendship?
Now you can go, little guy.
The white walking man has defeated the rude red hand. Onward to victory.
Hey there. You like the bananas, huh? They're the best in the city. Perfect.
That's a nice bottle cap, but it's $1 for the banana.
$1? So, the humans trade paper for bananas. To get the paper, one must make noise,
Look at this little guy go. He's got moves.
The noise-making was a success. I am rich. I am powerful. The free market has spoken. My talent has been quantified. Now, it is time for the acquisition. The funds have been secured. I will take one of your finest golden fruits, my good man.
All right, a deal's a deal. You've earned it, little fella. Payment accepted.
It's more beautiful than I ever imagined.
Victory is mine!
Wait a minute! Who is this?
You took a wrong turn, pal. This banana is mine. Now fly away before things get ugly.
Ooh, this is gonna be good.
I'm warning you. I know karate.
Strategic retreat! I repeat, strategic retreat!
He's gaining on me. Mayday! Mayday!
Watch your bird.
He's not my bird. He's a banana-crazed maniac.
Oh no! A fatal error in my escape route! This is it! This is the end!
That's far enough, you feathered fiend. This banana will never be yours. Wait a second. I'm a fool for trying to outfight him. I must outsmart him. Engage. Camouflage. Mode.
Nothing to see here. Just a regular monkey enjoying a regular human beverage.
Did you want some coffee?
Better luck next time, bird brain.
The target zone is secure. Commencing consumption.
Best banana ever.